In this video, I'll talk about how you can get free shipping on Temu. Now it says here in the shipping info that for most of the products, standard shipping is free over the applicable minimum order requirements. Now there's also something else. If you're a new user on Temu, many times they will give you free shipping no matter how much your order costs. So even if it's really cheap, they might still give you the free shipping option. But that is basically how it works. You can get the free shipping by just going over the minimum order requirements, which should be these. 70 kroner for first order, this is about $10, and this is about $20. And then you can get the free shipping a lot of the time. However, keep in mind, if you live where shipping is much more expensive, so if you live super far away, then you might have to order a lot more before you can get the free shipping. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.